Yo, what's up, Learn How to Drive Up crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to drive a barn. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Now, one more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that right now. Awesome. Well, let's go get down to it. Let's go see
So
what
for
we
the
came up
first
with.
step in making our barn, we're going to begin by making one line going from left to right. Now for the next step, we're going to make two lines that are vertical. This will be the front of the barn. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that barns are painted red because in the winter they help absorb the sun's rays and help keep the barn warm, as well as the red paint was inexpensive. Fantastic, now let's make the roof. Now, when I was in kindergarten, one of my favorite trips that we went on for a field trip was going to the barn. We went and we saw the animals and we saw how they made milk, and everything was so cool. I haven't been to a barn in a very long time, but I highly recommend that you visit one. Now, from the roof that we just made, we're going to make almost an L-like shape coming from the shape that we previously made. Now, for the next step, we're going to begin to make the barn door. Something that I haven't said before was that I really do like the scenic backgrounds. So you'll notice that after we finish drawing this barn, I'm going to add a really cool scenic background. Mostly because I think it's really pretty to see all the stuff come together. Awesome job so far. Now above the barn door that we just made, we're going to make it appear as if hay is coming out of a window. Now on the side of the barn, I'm going to add some cool details, so it's going to almost look like the same design as the barn door that we previously made. But if you want to make a little bit of a different design, that's completely okay as well. I'm sure whatever you come up with will look absolutely fantastic. I'm going to begin to make a little dirt path that will be leading up to the barn door that we made not too long ago. Now for one of the last steps, I'm going to make a cool scenic background for our barn. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color in our barn together.